Hola and welcome back to Kim at Home. In today's video, we are going to start off by being at Home Depot, aka Home Depot. If you've been here for a while, you know I have a name for every store that we go to, but there were so many items that I wanted to take a look at. I had a limited amount of time because as you can see, the ground was a little bit wet, but we're just gonna walk around and grab some things and check on out. If this is your first time on my channel, welcome. I'm Kim, 𝐄𝐍𝐉𝐎, and I do videos pertaining to home life. So it's cooking, cleaning, organizing, DIYs, projects, repairs, that sort of thing. If that sounds like your jam, please do not forget to hit subscribe and the like button on your way out. We're home now and I just need to do my daily routine in the kitchen where I'm just wiping things down, putting the dishes away, washing dishes, that sort of thing. You'll have to let me know below in the comments if you have a daily routine as well. This is how I feel now. I never had it so good. Had it so good. I never had it so good. Without your love, I know I would. I feel good. I feel good. I never had it so good. Without your love, I know I would. Waking up in the middle of the night, all alone. Realizing in the middle of the night, I'm glad you're gone. I'm glad you're gone. I never had it so good. Baby, I feel good. I feel good. I never had it so good. Without your love, I know I would. I never had it so good. I never had it so good. Without your love, I know I would. I feel good. I feel good. I never had it so good. Without your love, I know I would.
Yesterday I lost the battle, trying at all costs, so to keep you, baby. Oh, to keep you, baby. Do-do-do. Now I hurt so bad. All I feel is sad that I lost you, baby. Oh, I lost you, baby. I said goodbye with tears inside, calling out your name as you shut the door behind you. And now I wonder, why won't you come back? Love me, hold me, need me, like the way you used to do when it was just me and you. Don't go, I need you, I'll never.
I read this quote the other day and it says, strive not to be a success, but rather to be a value. Man, if more people would live by that, that would be amazing. Like, you can definitely strive to be successful, but in that success, why not help others, right? So be of value to them by helping them or giving them ideas or, you know, kind of planting the seed for them to be successful as well. There's enough wealth, there's enough knowledge, there's enough everything for all of us to eat, and there's enough to go around for us to share that knowledge, right? It's no different than someone wanting to start a YouTube channel and they're reaching out to someone who has like 1 million subscribers and they're like, okay, what's your secret? Hopefully people share that information. I bought these planters a few years ago, and then once I switched out colors in my home, I took them out of the house. So they've been in my garage, but I am poking holes in them. I'm going to plant a little tree in here. I'm also going to spray paint it, and I'm really excited about the color. This particular planter is going to go on my patio.
Hold me, need me, like the way you used to do, when it was just me and you. Don't go, I need you, I'll never mislead you. Give this love another chance. Take my hand and let me have this dance.
Let me know how you're doing below in the comments. Let me know what you're working on. Do you have any plans for your porch, your patio, or your home this coming summer? I have a lot of thoughts and ideas about this patio, but we will see exactly what I'm able to get done this year. I mean, timing is a big thing. Time's of the essence. There's not a lot of it. The older I get, the more I realize that. There are going to be some weird situations going on right now because it is so windy outside. So if you see the camera shaking, that's why. This is real life. I could have edited it out, but you know, we keeps it real up in these YouTube streets. Once upon a time, about 2 weeks ago, I had a beat up cover over this outdoor couch. So I got one from Amazon. It was really cheap. I will link it below in the description box in case you're interested in purchasing one. As I was looking at this, I didn't like the color, so I added some texture to it, and let me tell you, that was the best decision that I made. I actually have a shorts video out here on YouTube and on TikTok and on Instagram, actually, of me doing that with another pot. So be sure you're following me there as well.
Oh no. If you decide to leave, you will help me anyway. Maybe I am too naive, but I'm choosing to believe that you will give me another chance. Oh, so
It's the next day, and I want to talk about something that's really serious. I love to talk about mental health here on my channel because I am mental health. Okay, I am the poster child. I'm not bragging, but it is what it is at the end of the day, right? One thing I've noticed in my healing journey is I like to have long sleeves on. I don't care if it's hot outside. I always try to wear long sleeves. So for the most part, I wear grandma sweaters. I love me a good grandma sweater. But in the last clip, I had a jacket on, and I have a jacket on in this clip as well. There's some comfort that I'm finding in it, but I don't know what the root cause or what the root issue is, or how to even identify what the issue is, so to speak. If you have any issues like this, if you have any circumstances or situations or certain ways that you like things, borderline OCD or all the way OCD, let me know below in the comments how you work through that.
maybe I am too naive, but I'm choosing to believe that you will give me another chance. Oh, whoa. So tell me now, can we find love? Can we go back to where we were? All I want is to love you. Start all over. Tell me now. Oh, can we find love? Can we go back?
Paula Deen, you ain't got nothing on me, girl, with the butter, okay? Let me know below in the comments if you like cooking shows. My mom and I used to always watch Justin Wilson. If you guys know who he is, please let me know. That was the homie. And then as I got older, I fell in love with Anthony Bourdain. So when he unalived himself, that was so sad for me. Like, it really was. Like, I really, really liked him a lot. He was a rebel, and I'm a rebel, so I just loved him. Oftentimes when I make broccoli, I don't make enough because sometimes my family eats it, sometimes they don't. I could legit eat broccoli and greens and asparagus on a daily basis. Also Brussels sprouts. I really like my green veggies. But anyway, I'm just kind of like evenly distributing this. I could bake it and make it even more creamier than what it is, but I just did not feel like it. I was so tired, y'all. This is a really quick and easy meal. You know, throughout the week, I love to make 30-minute meals for my family just because it's like, ain't nobody trying to be in the kitchen cooking all day, okay? I can do that maybe on a weekend because I actually enjoy cooking, but for the most part, during the week, we get like 30 to 45-minute meals, okay? Or we get pizza.
It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You had to let me go. Yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow. We tried too many times. Don't misbehave. You must not know me. You make me crazy. Kinda like Johnny. Don't sit down better.
Let me know below in the comments if your kids are under the age of 15 and have chores. So my youngest daughter is 12 and she is required to sweep the floor every single day because your girl ain't got no RoboVac. But if RoboVac is watching this, hook a sister up, okay? Because I would really like one and I will make you proud. I'm just saying. At any rate, I'm speaking those things as though they are. My floor just needs to be swept and mopped. I use a 𝐓𝐇𝐈𝐒 mop because it's just easy. I spray vinegar on the floor. I let the vinegar sit for a little bit just to kind of soak in because you know it's a disinfectant. You got to allow it to work. And then I go over the floor with hot water. It's like a hot cloth that you're actually mopping the floor with. And before you decide to come for me in the comments about the floors being dirty because they're not being mopped with like boiling hot water and a real like, what do you call those other kind of mops? Like the other type of 𝐓𝐶 mop. You know what I'm talking about. Listen, tell me that your cabinets are dirty then, because don't you spray your cabinets down with disinfectant and wipe them down? It's no different than what you're doing to your floors. And if you're doing it several times a week, it's not dirty. We don't even wear our shoes in the house. So please don't go there because we don't want that, okay?
Telling me lies. Baby, stop telling me lies. There's a world inside my head. I get lost in it from time to time. No one has a spare key. The only one is inside of me. Go. I don't really dare to escape. Fall out in another space. So I stay. Hey.
The pot has been drying now for about, I don't know, 8 hours. So I just went ahead and I know it says to handle within like 24 hours, but it's fine. Trust me, I've done this before, okay? So now I just went ahead and planted the tree in here. I'm also going to experiment and plant a hydrangea bush in the ground and see what ends up happening. I plan on getting some rocks back here for the patio area just to kind of decorate it and make it look a little bit nicer in this area right over here and then on the other side as well. The reason I'm planting the hydrangea bush here is because a few years ago I did it in the front in my flower bed and it is full sun there. Like there's shade probably at night, okay? And I didn't realize that it said partial shade because somehow things got mixed up and I just didn't realize that. So it did not last long in the front. So I'm like, you know what? Let me just try it in the back. If it doesn't grow, that's fine because I'm going to put some rocks back here anyway. But I just want to see if it will work. Hopefully it will, fingers crossed. Now that my patio is looking good and doesn't have moss and mold and crud and dirt all over it, it's really about to be a vibe back here. Definitely hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on those videos. Thank you so much for being here. I appreciate you. I am so thankful for you and I hope you have an amazing week.